chargers. Look how cool. Okay, comes in a 2-pack. Let's open them up. You know I'm going to go for the pink one right off the bat. So let me pull it up so I can make sure I have all the information. Here we go, here we go. This is great for traveling. Okay. All right. So this is a 4-foot 2-pack. Okay. How cool! It's retractable. Wow. Okay, this is awesome. Okay. Oh, wow. And it pulls out the other side. What? That is so cool. This is perfect for traveling. And it has USB-C port right here. So I want you guys to see this. USB-C, iPhone, and then I think this is micro USB, or this is like an Android charger. Okay, and it kind of folds right in so you can hold it just as such. The USB folds down. Look how big this is, guys. It fits in the palm of your hand like such. Okay, and it comes in a 2-pack. Now what's this? What's this? Okay, I see this. Oh, I guess this opens up in case you need to do anything with it. Let's see. Let me just not assume and look. Happy, 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 happy. Oh, wow, this is really cool. Okay. So again. Boom. Ah, so cool. And it pulls out just as far. Wow. So look how long that cable could go. And then if you pull it back. What? That is such a cool way to keep your cables organized and just fold it up. Ah. So simple, so easy. I'm obsessed with this, guys. And again, it does come in a 2-pack. It's a multi-charging, fast charging, okay? Retractable little charging ports. Love, 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 love it.